my God, gravel.
Gravel.
Wow. This is like somebody's yard. Running around is going to be interesting, but we are here. Oh, and it's posted.
That means we can't go in? We have to walk up, I guess.
No.
Maybe we have to go to the other side. Hey, boss. We were going to check out this bridge. Can we see it from the other side? All right, thank you. Let's go around the other side.
Round the outside, round the outside.
First fun I had.
Welcome to Cromer's Bridge, built in 1907, built by Mr. James Hunt. It is a lattice truss built bridge, much like the ones that you've seen earlier. It no longer, as you can tell, allows traffic. From what I understand, they have reinforced the underside of it with some metal several years ago because of the dilapidation. The bridge rests on stone abutments. It ends on a central pier. The steel trusses made of 12-inch steel I-beams were added under the north end of the bridge. So what we have here is a 110-foot bridge, and the Cromers settled on the Nails Creek in Franklin County in 1845 prior to the Civil War. The family operated a wooden mill near the site. Subsequently, the area maintained a cotton gin, a flour mill, and a sawmill. In 1907, the county contracted with Mr. James M. Hunt to build the present bridge. Construction in the town lattice design, the bridge's web planks crisscross at a 45 to 60 degree angles and are fastened with wooden pegs or trunnels at each intersection. Will Cromer, a descendant, built the stone embutments.